All right, so this is my 3D printed project right here. I found this on cults3d.com. It was a little sphere of the globe, and the purpose of this was so you could put a little light inside of it and then pretty much make out your own little lamp. And so I found this online, and then I SolidWorks the rest of the body for this little lamp. Even the little drawer that comes out here just pops out pretty easy. You slide your finger in, and you can just pull it out. There's a 9-volt battery powering the whole thing, and so I know it's not really a wiring project, but I thought I'd make it a little more interesting and more fun. And so the little switch right here flicks on the battery, turn it on. This is all made in PLA. The globe was actually made on my Ender 3 over there, and everything else was made on the Prusas and the aerospace lab at the university. And so you probably want to see what this looks like. Actually, it looks pretty cool, and you can see all the little details already on it. So it has all continents on it except Antarctica, because that's kind of missing. And all the little islands can be kind of be seen on it as well. Greater detail can be seen when I turn the lights off. And so when I do turn the lights off right here, I'm going to turn off my monitor. Where this turns on, then you can see pretty good detail. I did have the bed, or not the bed, the whole thing kind of shifted a little bit. I think just because the extruder just kind of hit the plastic and then just moved a little bit to the left of the printer, but actually still printed out very well. You can see like all that detail, especially like in East Asia, India, even like the Congo region of Africa looks really cool. And so if you're curious what the US looks like, here's also what it looks like. And so yeah, it's kind of my project for this class. And so I guess thanks for watching.